This is lesson 3.8, Unions and Intersections of Sets, page 217, problem 4, using a Venn diagram to show numbers of elements. Numbers of elements refers to how many things there are in a set. An element is a part of a set. So, for example, the odd numbers less than 10. There would be a 1, a 3, a 5, a 7, and a 9, so that would have 5 elements in it. Okay? So the problem is, of 500 commuters polled, some drive to work, some take public transportation, and some do both. So 200 commuters drive to work, and 125 use both types of transportation. How many commuters take public transportation? Okay. So the first thing we know is there's 500 people total. Only 200 of them drive. And the number who use public transportation, the number who drive but also use public transportation is 125. So the and tells you that's the center. So here's the people that drive, and remember that has to total 200. And since they share 125, that 75 came from 200 minus 125. Okay, the 125 is included in the 200. And then the people that only take public transportation, okay, first of all, 500 minus the 200 who drive means there's 300 people who take public transportation. So this right here would be the yes, that's correct. This would be the other 300 people, because remember this whole thing right here is the 200, that includes the 125, which means there must be 300 more people. And then the number of people that actually use public transportation would be 300 plus 125, which is the total, the 425. Okay, so remember that what they share is included in each of them. Okay, so of 30 students in student government, 20 are honor students, 9 are officers and honor students. All of the students are officers, honor students, or both. So how many are officers but not honor students? Okay, so they told us that 9 were both, officers and, there's your word and. So 9 are both, that goes in the middle. Okay, they said that 20 are honor students. So 20 minus the 9, that means 11 of them are honor students but not officers. So there's 11 non-officer honor students. There's 9 officer honor students, and that's 20. So 30 minus 20 gives you 10 for the number of officers. Right here, rather than doing 30 minus 20, I did 30 minus the 9 and the 11, but same thing.